Welcome to 2 Weeks to SwiftUI. My name is Chidi and I'm a software engineer. And in this series, I'm going to introduce you to this 14-day series I've designed to introduce you to the SwiftUI programming language and framework. So what are we going to be covering in this course? In this series, in 14 days, you're going to build a hiking application. So we all love hikes. We all love to go, our favorite hiking spot, maybe starting from the park, or maybe going to mountains, or going to Smoky Mountains, Grand Canyon, and several other places to take interest in hike. Hiking is fun because we are out there in nature, we're seeing the environment, even with our loved ones if we want, and it's a great way to experience the world. So in order to enjoy our hike, we're going to need a hiking app, and this hiking app is going to have all the really awesome hiking spots that we can have in our city. And also we're going to be able to build a way to see these hikes, and for each hike we're going to have a checklist of items that we will need to enjoy the hike. So think about your backpack, think about your favorite energy bar, energy drinks. So we're going to be able to create an app that stores all these items. And what's more, and if we find a place that we're interested to go on a hike, you're going to be able to create a favorite section where we can create this hiking spot and save it for the next time so that we can use this app to go on very, very interesting hikes. All right, so this is an introduction to the SwiftUI programming language. And what's more fun than learning this way? We're going to explore the language and framework, but at the same time, we're going to build a real-world application. In 14 days, I'm going to show you how to build your very first iOS application. All right, I hope you're excited and you're ready to explore this as I am. So, without much further ado, let's get straight into it.